If you're like this person, bored and don't know what to do, then you've come to the right place. Just listen to this old dude. This is all about personalization in Midjourney. My goal, to get from level 1 to level X. I have no idea how long it'll take, but I'm sure I'll get a few free fast hours from Midjourney. You can always use my personal code. It's called pjjfknl or something like that. Let's explore the results together. So let's get started right away. We'll jump right in and find out how to reach level 2 and what the results will look like. See you in a moment on the Midjourney website. I'll be right back. Welcome back. Below, you can see the images I created with level 1 using the previous prompt person. I really like these two pictures. They are very much characterized by a pattern. You can switch personalization on and off, either via the navigation on the left or the burger menu at the top right here. Entering the Personalize section, you'll notice that you get another free fast hour from Midjourney once you reach level 2. So let's do this very quickly. Again, there are different images in comparison. Cats, of course cats, ghosts, and cartoon characters. Kabutnik or zombie sep. You don't necessarily have to be a fan of those images. Of course, it is always very amusing to see how Midjourney determines the character of the personalization based on two creepy images. Here are images of hands. Here's a beanie man, there's a bat thing, a mountain, here's a flying bike. A Hanswurst, or here again, a mountain, a picture of the Eiffel Tower. A field of flowers, a stained glass window. Now we've completed the 500 ratings. Yay! I'm on level 2. If I click here, I can switch on personalization. It reads, if you want to get to level 3, you have to rate another 500 pictures. I can earn 2 more free fast hours. It says that the process takes about 17 minutes. We'll get to that in the next tutorial. Let's go straight over to the Create section. You can see the results there. I've already tested prompts with the personalization code, level 2. First, a brief review of the last session. These are the results that were created with level 1. They are characterized by monochrome colors and this pattern. Actually, I find them very pleasant. As for the new images, Midjourney already included my evaluations gained from level 2. We've just done that together. It is very interesting how Midjourney interprets things. Here we see photorealistic or even drawn images. Some of them are also based on this shade of green or gray. There's also a continuation of this characteristic pattern. I'm still wondering how Midjourney came to give me a rating based on my choice of images, some of which were pretty weird, and basically said to me, this has to be my style. Very exciting. I will follow the path of personalization to the highest level. You are welcome to join me. The best thing about it, I get free fast hours from Midjourney. You may try it yourself. Use my code or that of others. They are freely accessible. We'll soon see what the difference is between images created at level 1 and level X, the ultimate level. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and recommend it to others. Thank you very much for listening. See you soon. Your channel, AI. Now you know.